This is Maria Fe. Today I'm going to talk about innovative pedagogies. To start, we're going to define first pedagogies. Pedagogies are theories and practices of learning, teaching, and assessment that do not just merely involve technology inside the classroom. That is according to Sharples 2019. Now, generally, when we talk about innovative pedagogies, what comes to mind instantly is it is often attached to technological development. Well, in fact, it's just one aspect. When we talk about innovative pedagogies, it generally talks about education and the whole teaching learning process. Today, I'm going to present 6 innovative pedagogies that are studied to have potentials in provoking shifts or developments in the educational system. And here are the 6 innovative pedagogies.
The Formative Analytics, Teachback, PlaceBased Learning, Learning with Robots, Learning with Drones, and Citizen Inquiry. The formative analytics are focused on supporting the learners to reflect what is learned, what can be improved, which goals can be achieved, and how to move forward.
Formative analysis. Formative analysis allows learners to critically reflect on themselves. What are their learning needs? What are their adjustments? And the things they need to improve. We are already using formative analysis in the educational setup today. Unlike before, wherein all evaluation and assessments were done at the end of the lesson, today we are already using formative analysis before and during discussion, and teachers are already giving feedbacks to the students when it comes to their ideas and their knowledge about the topic.
Teachback is devised by educational technologist Gordon Pash. It is a process where 2 or more people demonstrate that they are progressing toward a shared understanding of a complex topic.
I personally am using Teachback to my students, especially when I am teaching reading comprehension and English topics to them. I ask one or a group of my students to reteach what I have taught to them in order to check if we have mutual understanding, if we have learned the same concepts together. Teachback is also used in the medical fields. In fact, doctors are asking their patients to repeat the instructions, to repeat the medications that they have to undergo just to check if everything's clear. And it has been studied that those doctors who use Teachback as a strategy when it comes to their patients significantly have patients who know more about their illnesses and about their medications.
Another innovative pedagogy is place-based learning. It derives learning opportunities from local community setting. Students will learn to connect abstract concepts from the classroom and textbooks.
The whole concept of place-based learning is to actively engage students and to help them explore the world, be connected with other people, learn the culture and the society, and to be holistically immersed. Environment-based teaching improves students' critical thinking skills.
Learning with Robots, this innovative program allows students to think and learn together with information and communication technology.
Another innovative pedagogy is learning with robots. I know that Filipino classrooms cannot afford this luxury, but Japanese classrooms are already strategizing and improving this pedagogy in which robots become a part of the educational system because they can take a lot of roles. They can assist teachers when it comes to giving instructions. They can also help in transporting some medical equipments from the classroom going to the other facilities in the school. And other robots as well can teach programming to students.
Next innovative pedagogy is learning with drones. Drone-based learning is being used to support fieldwork by enhancing students' capability to explore outdoor physical environments.
I was fascinated at first upon learning that drones are used for educational purposes because I thought drones are just for filmmaking and for videographers. Drones can assist in collecting data from different perspectives, particularly in places that are very difficult to access. Drones allow students to learn more also about nature reserves and cultural heritage sites.
Lastly, citizen inquiry. This pedagogy creates experience that allows people to become familiar with the work of the scientist.
Some of the experimentation and the researchers hire amateur or ordinary people and helping them collect data, gather specimen, and be part of the experimentation. It's for for the public to be open and for the public to increase their knowledge about sciences, about nature, about experimentation as a whole. I know that as teachers, we always want to up our game, but then again, because of the myriad of constraints we are experiencing in the Department of Education, the lack of funds, we have limited resources, we don't have any support. What happens is we often go back to the traditional and conservative way of teaching. Maybe this new normal could pave a way to help us level up our game and to help us realize how important education is.